So after website, our next point for creating public image is use of photographs. Many times people intend to copy paste photographs from different points on website, which is again a big no for your content, because as I told you in the beginning, content is king for any search engine. If the content is original, the efforts made by your team becomes very productive for the search engine as well as for your company's image. But if the photographs or contents have been copied from somewhere which has its origin in a totally different website and you do not have that copyright, so freely available images that we use may become problematic not only from the branding part or image part of the company, but also from the search engine optimization part. So originality of the photograph is equally important for any website. Apart from that, try and use the professional photos, because if photos are not having professional look and feel, if they do not have good resolution, if they do not have good quality, it will not create a good image about your company. It will not give good feeling to the visitor. And bit by bit, that attention that we create through our website to attract our visitors, will go futile again if the image or originality or professionalism is absent in your photographs. So my friends, these photographs are not only there for giving visual look and feel, but they are also used strategically to avoid adding more content on your website. When I say more content, if you are planning to go global, you may like to translate your website into different foreign languages. And if you're planning to go local, you may like to translate your content in different local languages of that particular country. So in order to reduce the cost of translation, your website should have a balanced quantity of contents. And in order to not make your website wordy and more costly, the image comes handy, because one image can tell lots of stories without even using any words. So my friends, photographs become very, very important in our websites. Also from technical point of view, when we are using any photograph in our website, the photographs must contain the name of the file, number one. There is a tagline, there is a meta tag involved in that particular photograph, because these things practically may not be feasible for common man to understand. But technical people do understand the importance of these points, because the search engine searches photographs through those tags and those names only. So in order to sync the efforts of technical team and also of the front team and also of the content writers and also of the team which is working tremendously hard in order to bring traffic to your website, if we fail to attract the bots or search engines, then the efforts again will be futile. So we have to think of all these points very carefully. Plus, keep in mind that copying any image from any website is plagiarism. So the way we have said no to plagiarism for the content, similarly we have to say no to plagiarism for the photographs. Of course, there are certain common creative platforms. We say Creative Commons. There you have lots of options to use those photographs freely, because they are open source and free license. Anybody can use it. But always depending on the Creative Commons photograph could also hamper your interest, because if you are using your own images or photographs, that will talk about your involvement with the team, that will talk seriousness about your products and services, that will give more better understanding of you and your company to people and visitors. But if we more heavily depend on Creative Commons photographs, there are possibilities that the visitors may have visited those photos before. So the efforts that you are trying to make may again be hampered. So just my friends, be very careful when you are using photographs in your websites.